Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set who can follow you on Facebook. First thing you do is open up your Facebook app and then you tap on your profile icon over here, tap on it, and then so let's go all the way down and see. No. Tap on your profile, yes, like that. Tap on your profile and then tap on the three dots at the top at the corner. Tap on follow settings, give it a few seconds and then you can see who can follow me. So tap on right there and you can choose public or just your friends. As I say, I put it in public, and now I've allowed the public to be able to follow me on Facebook. Now the followers can see your posts, reels and stories in feed, but you can also allow people not your friends to follow your public posts, reels and stories. So we use settings to choose who can follow us. Each time you post, you can also choose the audience you want to share with. So that's it.